Hello. I did a previous video just showing the unboxing of this here Crave Curve Bluetooth speaker that Crave sent me to review. Now I'm going to show you, I've charged it now. I'm going to show you how it works and some of the functions and stuff. Okay, right now it is turned on. I don't think you can, well, you can't kind of see it. If you look, you kind of watch in the middle, there's a blue light that flashes that shows that it's on. Very top blue light in this speaker grill. Oops. I don't want to damage it, but I want to kind of show you guys if you see that blue light there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's in there. Okay, so it's on right now. It's connected to my laptop since I'm filming this with my phone, so I want to show it, using the laptop here. Okay, so right now it's connected. I'm going to disconnect to show you what it sounds like. So when we disconnect, and it will say Crave Curve as the Bluetooth device name by default. I just disconnected, and you hear that sound. That means it's disconnected. The speaker goes back into pairing mode automatically. There's no pairing button, no way to put it in pairing mode. When nothing's connected and the speaker's on, it's in pairing mode. So then you'll see it as available on other devices to pair to with Bluetooth. Okay, so what we're going to do, speaker's on still, just in pairing mode. So to turn the speaker off, you hold the power button. There it goes. You'll hear a noise. Okay, so it's off now. If we turn it back on, you hold the power button. There it came on. You hear that noise. Okay, now to pair back, we're gonna go find it on the computer. There it is. Okay, it automatically paired since it was still a remembered device on my computer. But it would do the same thing if you click on it. There's no pin code or nothing. It just connects and makes that noise. Okay, so then when you have stuff to play and everything, play and pause button, just tap that. Answering calls on a phone call, if you're paired to a phone, play and pause to accept the call and hang up. The volume plus will raise the volume on the call or the music or any media, and minus is there. Now, if you're in let's say a library of songs and stuff where you have to skip and go forward and back and stuff, I don't know for sure if this works on YouTube videos and stuff. I think it might to fast forward through the video, but don't quote me on that. But you can hold to go forward, hold the plus symbol, and then hold the minus symbol to go backwards. To like start from the beginning of a song or to go to the next song in the library or in the playlist, I would say. So I don't know how that works on the videos yet, but that's how it works for at least music on Apple Music I've been testing this with. Sounds great. Let me just play something right quick since we're paired back so you can hear it. This is royalty-free, copyright-free music, so I don't get flagged. As you see, it sounds pretty good, and this is not even loud at all. It does go loud. I mean, these are two 10-watt speakers in here, so I mean, it's not great, but in this case, all aluminum case, it amplifies it, so it sounds great. It doesn't have the bass like some speakers can, that's really the complaint of all these speakers. There's not much bass because of their design. It is, you're not going to get that out of this hardly. Some are designed different and have like a rear speaker and stuff to them, but yeah, we won't go into that detail. But this sounds great for what it is. It's great quality made. It seems like it's what you get and good quality for what you get, and it sounds good. it sounds normal. We're not trying to change the music. We're not, this is what the music sounds like, So just basically the same quality from a computer, just being portable is what I would say. So check this out. If you do want to get yourself one, I'm going to post the Amazon affiliate link in the video description. And that will give me credit if you do end up buying one. Great, But that's how you can check out more details of this speaker. Okay, thanks for watching today, and hope you enjoyed this video, and like it if you did.